Nice. Blacked everything out. That's how it sits. I don't even want to move, I'm so tired. So how many hours we put in it this weekend? I put 7 yesterday. No, I put more than 7. No, I put 7 yesterday, and about 7 today. But we did. So the bars actually lined up and went in. That's a miracle in itself.
Do you mind if I push this down? The bar.
Yeah, I don't care. So now we got to work on the brakes. Not today. If it was up to me, I'd like to just plug off the rail line and hold off on the brakes around the brake line down the driver's side. Nice. That was a lot of work. Right? Right. A lot of work. We went 4 degrees on the pinion. In case anybody's asking. There's the cross member. Fully in, bolted, painted. A lot of slop in those front bushings. That's a story in itself. Explain that. That allows this thing to go up and down and not bind. And go in and out of a driveway and twist a little. Which is good. We actually have suspension travel. Sounds like a boat without the muffler.
I think it works.
Kids will be kids.
Oh my.
We can kill all the neighbors.
We can't even see the shed.